How to fade in and fade out a video in CapCut app. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to fade in and fade out a video in CapCut app easily. So let's just get started without any delay. For that, you can open up your CapCut and select up a project of video in which you want to add up the effect of fade in and fade out. For example, I have selected this video. So let's say I want to fade in and fade out this video. For that, what you can do is, after it is placed on your timeline, you can just go ahead and tap on it and you'll be finding this white border along with it. So when you tap on it, you can look out for this option called animations, which is on the third. After you tap on it, you'll be finding this editing options. Go ahead and tap on this animations and you'll be finding in, out, and then combo. So if you want to put in the fade in animation, you can look up for the fade in option here, which is right here in the middle. You can just go and tap on it and you can find the fade in effect has been applied. So you can just go and do that. And once that is done, you can also set up the duration of the fade in video like this right here. And after that is done, if you want to add the fade out as well, you can again head over to animations and go to out section. And then go ahead and look out for fade out, which is right here in the middle again. After that, set up the duration for that also and click on right. And when you play the video, you can find it is fading in and again fading out. So that is very super easy method you can apply in order to fade in and fade out a video in your CapCut application as well. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.